Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
So I think for the pound yen, we are in no man's land right now. It's been trading in this giant consolidation range like the dollar yen. And this has been ongoing since March 2021. Looks pretty similar to Bitcoin. It is a risk-on pair. The pound compared to the yen is risk-on. So are we going to see some continued upside, or is price going to break down from here? It's really unclear just looking from the charts at this level, just because it's still in the range. But in the short term, this level looks good for a buy. But really you need to control your risk to a bare minimum and totally expect yourself to be taken out. So we are pretty much neutral on this pair at these levels, right? When we will start to turn bullish is if there's a break out of this range. And otherwise, I think we will take the status quo and expect it to continue to trade within this range. And at this halfway point mark, you never really know what price is going to do. Yeah, so I would stay away from the pound yen if I were you, and look for other pairs to trade.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.